Wizard of West LA here. Today I'd like to look at the GoPro Fusion 360 camera. From what I understand, this camera has been replaced with a newer camera called the Max, but if you happen to come across this camera, I'd like to give you just a quick tour of the camera, of what the camera actually does, because you might get a used one. And definitely feel free to give us a thumbs up so we can produce some more videos, and subscribe to the channel, as I will be putting more videos up regarding this software and different things like it and how to use the software. But this video is a basic video about the camera and to show you what it has. So let's take a look. These are the accessories the camera comes with, and there's one thing I really like, is that collapsible handstand that also turns into a regular stand when you extend the legs on it. That is really useful. So it comes with a case, a battery, and you can see one of the USB cables. It's USB-C, and it also comes with some square and some round stands that screw into the base of the camera. We'll take a look at those in a sec. Here's a picture of the side of the box so you can see what it comes with. It has voice command, multiple microphones, and GPS is included, and there are some specs. Here is the front of the camera with the LCD display, and here is the other side of the camera with the other lens. Here is the bottom of the camera. Lifting the latches removes the bottom of the GoPro camera holder. And that is a picture of the bottom of the camera holder. This is the battery compartment. The GoPro Fusion uses two SD cards, one on one side of the battery and the other goes on the other side of the battery. This is the power switch on the side of the unit. Next to the power switch, you have the USB-C charging connector and data port. This is the square base that comes with the unit. And this is a picture of the round base that comes with the unit. And this is the standard GoPro battery that comes with it. And this is a close-up of any details that you wish to get about the battery. This is a great accessory that comes with it. This nice zipper pouch you put the GoPro camera in to protect the lenses. This is actually a great accessory that it comes with. The selfie stick, which extends outward, and when you collapse it, it has legs so it can stand. So let's take a look at the software. This is a very brief look at the software. After you load the app from GoPro, it'll work on all their cameras, including the Heroes. You hit the plus to add the camera. Click on View Media. It will load the media, and you can take a look at the pictures that are on your camera, and it will load them. So let's load a video I took of Big Rock, and this is, when you click it, you'll see that, and you can put the camera to the left and right and you'll get a larger display, and that's when you go through the pictures right there. So let's load one and let's take a look. When you load it, you hit the play, and then you can move it around with your finger, and you can straighten it up with two fingers, as I did. I rotated it, and you can look around, and you can hit play, and it does have features we'll go through on another video. Here we go, I'm hitting play. I'll go through that, how you can actually point it to different locations, and that's what it looks like when you load it. That sandwich icon will give you information about the video, which you can see right here, so you can get information, look at it, and also delete the video too. The up arrow is the sharing icon. So this software does allow you to save it to your photos, and the share, the other function, will upload it. It does a conversion first and allow you to upload that to YouTube, Facebook, or many others. Now, an added note is that you can also go into, for example, YouTube and upload it manually from your photo album. So if you liked the video, feel free to give us a thumbs up. And this is a very quick video about the Fusion, which is a discontinued camera. Now, I will tell you, I have had some problems with this camera in that when I charge the camera, there are overheat issues. And I have also charged it without any SD cards in the camera, which was suggested by a couple other users and a couple other viewers. And it still has an overheat. And I have updated the firmware, so it does have some problems. So I'm working with it. So I will put up another video of how to do a simple video with it and how to edit it and how to upload it. So I thought I'd put this up so you can take a look at it in case you do get a used one. But I will be doing a video of the next one, the GoPro Max, which is the replacement of this camera, which only uses one SD card, and it is a really good camera. So have fun with the camera if you do have one, and feel free to post any comments if you have had that issue, and let me know if you've had any way to fix that. So it does do overheats and it has been crashing. So if you do know any solutions for it, definitely leave me a comment. So as always, remember, keep on learning.